Here's how to tie a monkey's fist knot. Start by choosing a rope and then tying it 3 times around your arm. Make sure to leave a pretty long section after it to tie the rest of the knot. After that, carefully take out your hand and hold it between your fingers. Now you need to take the end of the rope and pass it through these 3 loops like this. And then you need to go around them another 3 times. When you're finished, it should look something like this. Now you need to take the end of the rope and go through the center of the knot. So starting from the back side in the center and coming out on the other end. And now finally you need to tie another 3 loops, only this time around these 3 strands in the center. When you're finished, it should look something like this with 3 strands over here, 3 over here, and 3 over here from all sides. Now you need to tie a stopper knot at the end of the rope like this. What you do now is hide the stopper knot in the center of the knot underneath these strands. And now you need to tighten the knot. And you can do that by carefully retracing each strand and just keep tightening it until the whole knot is tight. I've now tightened these 3 strands and let's continue with these ones. Alright, I've also tightened these 3 strands and now let's tighten the 3 final ones. And that's how a finished monkey's fist knot should look like. If you're making it for decorative purposes, you can pay more attention to the placement of the strands when you're tightening them. But for my purposes, this looks good enough. Instead of tying it with 3 turns, you can tie it with 4, 5, or even more turns if you want the ball to be bigger. Or you can also add something small in the middle, like a marble, to add more weight to this knot. It's usually used for decorative purposes or for adding weight to the end of the rope so that it's easier to throw over objects. To learn other useful knots, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.